Hey guys, it's me Ubaid, and today we will see how we can create graphs using AI. So we will just ask for any type of graph with our text-based instruction, or we can even like copy paste our data here, and then we will just click on generate, and AI will generate different kind of graphs for you, which you can download and use that. Okay. If you're working on any custom project, you can reach out to email or WhatsApp for technical consultancy or any type of help. Okay, and you can even join my UB community where you get technical consultancy, coaching, one to one weekly discussion calls on demand, right? Okay, uh, let's see how this system is working and how we can develop this. So I will just ask for generate graph for population of countries. So countries, yeah, I guess yes, this is it. Okay, and this is saying getting graphs ready. Please wait and remake by adding more instructions. That means if I see some graphs and I want to change something there, I will just I will just add more instructions and it will regenerate all of the graphs for us. So it is happening, and I can show you since it's running on my local host, so I can show you that you know it is sending request to my Python server where all of the code generation and of the AI stuff is going on. And if we see in the console, we get these instructions, and this is now sent to our uh, Flask server, and here we get all of the graphs. So one variation is this, one variation is this, the other is the pie chart, then we get the line chart, all type of graphs, right? We can even ask for more specific graphs, right? And if I click on download, I will get a downloadable link to this image. I can just save it, right, as png. Okay, so this is how it is working, and I can just like change the colors and all of that, right? So now let me tell you the workflow it is using internally so that we can build on top of that. So here you can see our backend is running, and when we add instructions, it send that instruction to our backend, which is that Python. Then we are just storing our graphs in the cloud, Google Cloud, and we are sharing the link and we are sending them back to our front end, which is displaying all of the graphs here, right? So basically, the workflow is you get the instructions, you ask AI in type of LLM. We're using OpenAI, but you can use cloud or any other, and ask for the uh, code which will generate that graph, right? And in that case, we are using matplotlib. So we will use that graph. We will obviously we have some system prompts and all we can play around, but eventually the code generation will be the output of the LLM. That code, we will execute that, we will create a graph, we will save that in our cloud, and we will share the link. So that's the whole pipeline of how the graph generation is working. Okay, and yeah, if I think that was it for this video, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.